Hello everyone and welcome back. Now let's get to this Venus flytrap makeup look. Going in with P. Louise blank canvas, and I'm going to tap that all over my eyelid. And make sure to really blend it out at the corners. Now I'm going to put a light shade of green all over the eyelid. And put a darker green on the crease. I like to go with the back and forth motion to really blend it out into the crease. And with a fluffy brush, blend the two colors together. Right here I'm using a blue-green tone right in the crease to really darken up. The point here is to really make the green vibrant like a Venus flytrap. And of course, blend it all together. We can never forget about blending. Right here I'm just tapping white on the eyebrow. Now it's time to cut the crease into the shape that I want it to be, and I'm really following my eye structure, so every time I open my eyes I won't smudge. And instead of making it faded, I'm gonna round it up at the end. And wipe off that excess eyeshadow. In the crease, I'm gonna tackle very light pink all over the lid. Inside the crease, of course. Around the edges, I'm gonna go in with a hot pink to give more depth to the look. And I'm using a very tiny brush to really get in that tight spot. And with a smaller brush, I'm using a darker purple to really deepen the colors. And here we're going to go with eyeliner. I'm using the Kat Von D one because I love how it gives such a sharpness whenever I'm doing graphic liner. And for this look, I'm really extending out the wing so I can create some spikes just like a Venus flytrap. And here we go with the spikes I was talking about earlier. I'm really following the curves of my eyes just to give it that natural flow of spikes that will go with my eye structure. Now I'm just gonna go fill it in with Maybelline Gel Studio Liner. Now on here I'm going to use a darker shade of green to create some faded spikes behind. And going with black to really darken them. Now I'm going to prime my lids with NYX Glitter Primer and tap that right on my eyelid. Then apply a pinkish glitter. Here I'm going to prime the bottom of my eyelid and really blend it out in the bottom. And of course, going in with my fluffy brush again and doing the blending. Now I'm going to use a light tone green at the bottom and really blend that out on my waterline. Then I'm going to go with black to really tight line the waterline. Now it is face time. Let's start with primer. It's always very important to prime. Next, going in with the Morphe concealer and place that all over my nose, under my eyelids, my chin, and then blend it all out with a beauty blender. I'm so excited to use this Fenty foundation, so I was very happy that I came right on time. And I'm just going to place that all over my face. I'm using just 2 drops and blend it all out. Setting powder. Just going to place that all under my eyelids and my chin. Then I'm going to use the Morphe palette to contour under my cheeks, my jawline, my chin, and then finally going on my nose. And of course, cut that contour and swipe off any excess setting powder. I was so happy I got these, so I'm very excited. I'm using Glowworm Moonlighter by Blackmoon Cosmetics and putting that all over my inner corners of my eyes. Then placing Centipede right on my cheeks. I'm sorry for the flashes. It's a highlighter. Going back with Glowworm and placing that on my nose and then on my cheeks and on my Cupid's bow. And of course going in with Melt Cosmetics Geneticist and using it as blush. On top of my blush, I'm using Cat Shark Moonlighter and I'm going to tap that right on top of it. And of course, swipe off the bottom. And of course, we cannot forget eyelashes. I outlined my lips and going in with this gloss and then setting spray. So this is the finished look, and I hope you guys enjoyed this as much as I did. And thanks. See you next time. Bye.